Yeah, nigga, I'm gonna put this over here because it's what you need to do.
Yeah, baking pasta shit is so much fucking fun.
Yeah, this shit's tight, son. You look like a piece of winter fresh.
Shut up, man. I'll put this shit in here. Bake your fucking ass. How you like my dick now? I think it's done. Oh shit, motherfucker.
Something fucking went wrong here. Oh, my eyes popping out of my head and shit.
Hold on, motherfucker. I'll put this shit in my face. Oh shit, bitch. The fuck someone went and shit in my oven, motherfucker.
What the fuck am I gonna do? I got no hands.
Motherfucker, you better roll on my blanket with this shit right here. This is fucking real life, motherfucker. Look at this.
17 minutes right now. So talk to him.
Hey dude, you ever watch Eddie Murphy?
I think about life and stuff
Eddie
sometimes.
Murphy Raw.
Rough.
Yeah.
Yeah, shit.
Like his actual stand-up.
Oh,
Yeah, I
that
did
shit
some of
was
that shit,
1922.
Hey, I mean, unless you got something else you want to see. Dude, that is some funny ass.
Why Carlos States like get to the bar,
What the fuck is that, son?
hose. Get to the bar, hose.
What?
What are you doing here?
Close
Jimmy?
to
That shit's crazy, son.
Stephanie said, get to the bar, hose.
Get that
Is he already at the bar?
Apparently.
Yeah, motherfucker, you best calm down. That's from my best friend.
Like you on jet plane?
You're gonna break something down.
Yeah, I ain't never been there.
Rockyard?
Yeah, I ain't been
It's
there.
fun. It's fun.
I ain't never been
Hey,
there.
no bull.